Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well and I hope last week was as good as you wanted it to be. We're all still trying to figure this whole online learning thing out and I think you all did great. Thank you for meeting me live last Thursday. I'll let you know when I'm going to do that again. I'm going to shoot for once a week, but we'll see. This week's being kind of weird since it's a 4-day week for you guys. So, as always with this week, we will start with Google Classroom. You immediately click on classwork, go to your daily agenda. Then you will click on your agenda slide. That will tell you everything you are doing for the week. As promised in my video last week, your first two slides will always stay the same. The first slide just tells me where I'm at, and your second slide has all of your information. So you can easily do several different things here. You can click on your weekly agenda document, which tells you exactly what we should be doing each and every day this week. Monday, watching this video, if you have not already done so, please email me your blogs. Please. Your URL, you guys, that's the web address, okay? Make sure you hit the view site so I'm not getting backslash, first prompt, weekly prompt discussions, and all that stuff, okay? Tuesday, you have an Ellis Island / Angel Island assignment. We're going back, we're doing a little bit of review of what we were doing right before we left for break and we took that giant test because we didn't go over Angel Island too much. We focused a lot on Ellis Island. Wednesday, I know it doesn't say anything about Wednesday for social studies, but if you have time, CNN 10, and I'll talk more about that in just a second. And then Thursday, you will finish up this assignment with a blog discussion post. Okay, and then Friday, y'all don't have school. Yay! So let's talk about the assignment for this week. You can get to it several different ways. You can get to it by clicking here. Or if you wanted to, you can always go here. This is our our second week, and then I've linked it here as well. So this tells you also what we're doing and your weekly blog prompt, which you'll have to do by Friday. All right, so really quickly, how this works. Each box has a number. It's 1 through 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Click on them in order. So 1 tells you exactly what's up. You'll watch the video, you'll take the quiz. You'll open and read the article, you'll take another quiz. You'll watch the video, you'll take another quiz, and then you're going to do our blog discussion post. If you're not sure what the blog discussion post is, do not fear. We have solved that for you. Your blog discussion post is right down here. And it is comparing and contrasting Ellis to Angel Island. Okay, if you need help getting your discussion pulled up on your blog, Ms. Schmidt has linked a video right here for you. So, that should give you a little more insight into Angel Island and even Ellis Island. I know we spent some time on it and we did the 3D tour or the virtual tour, but this gives you a better real understanding of the differences between the two and what people had to go through to get into the country. So really quick, CNN 10, and then y'all, I'll be done with my intro video for you, and then I'll just be online on my office hours. So for CNN 10, if you come down here, it says CNN 10, week 2, because this is our second week. You have an assignment. You pull it up. Guys, I need to know what date you watch the episode because I don't care what day you watch it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, doesn't matter. Whenever you have time, you get bored, this is the perfect opportunity to watch CNN 10. You answer these questions to the best of your ability using complete sentences. That would be great. And then you hit submit. So it's a different video every single day. So you have to answer number 1, date of the video. Tell me the month and then the physical day. I don't really need 2020. I know what year we're in, what a year it's been. Let's see. Anything else? I went ahead and linked CNN 10 for you. Again, don't care what day you do it. Just get it done between Monday and Thursday. Office hours document. What? Okay, that was weird. My office hours link, it is always right here. Remember, you just have to log on, and then if you have any questions, you type in the date so I know what day in case I missed you, your first and last name, your questions, and then I will respond to you. And then if you need me to go live for whatever reason, you just click on this box, and then you right click, and you check it. That's it. So, I hope you guys are doing well. I miss you. I would still rather be hanging out with you guys at school than doing this. I hope you're all safe and having as good of a time as you can. Alrighty. Oh, I did that fast. All right, we got this. Email me if you have any questions. And yeah, you guys have a fantastic evening. Bye.